Hello everyone, myself Tanishka Sajara Patil, first year BMS student from Gomantak Ayurveda Mahavidyalaya and Research Center, Shiroda, Goa. Today my topic is types of Vata dosh, Sthan and Karma. So there are 5 types of Vata dosh: Pranavayu, Udanavayu, Vyanavayu, Samanavayu and Apanavayu. The first one is Prana. Location of Pranavayu is Prano Atra Murdhagaha. Head and chest are two main sites of Pranavayu. Functions: उरकंठश्चरो बुद्धी हृदयेंद्रिय चित्तदृक् ष्ठीवनक्षवत उद्गारणी निश्वासान्न प्रवेशकृत. The Padachhed of that shlok: Pranavayu function is uphold the intellect, uphold the heart function, uphold or control the function of sense organs, control mind, spitting, sneezing, eructation, expiration and swallowing of food. Vitiation of pranavayu leads to respiratory issues, that is asthma, bronchitis, anxiety, stress and nervous disorders, sensory disturbances, that is hearing and vision. Similarly, hikka, श्वासव्याधी, pratishay, ardit, pakshaghat, shirashul, these are the disorders which is caused by vitiation of pranavayu. Chikitsa is nasya and basti. Second one is udana. Urasthanam udanasya nasa nabhi galanschare. Its site is nose, pharynx, chest and abdominal organs near umbilicus. Function is vak pravrutti prayatna urja balavarna smriti kriyaha. Padachhed is udanavayu function, which is effort to speak, physical effort, energy, strength, complexion and memory. Clinical application, which is speech and voice disorders, throat infections and inflammation, creative blocks and self-expression issues. Vyadhi is Naka, Netra, Mutra व कर्ण रोग, ऊर्ध्व चतुर्गत रोग, श्वासव्याधी, कासव्याधी, मुकत्व, स्मृतिनाश. And चिकित्सा for that is nasya. व्यानो हृदि स्थितः कृत्स्नदेहचरी महाजवः. That is, site is heart, but the whole body is activity area of the Vyanavayu. Function of Vyanavayu is गत्य पक्षेपणोत्क्षेप निमेष उन्मेषणादिकाः प्रायः सर्वा क्रियास्तस्मिन् प्रतिबद्धाः शरीरिणाम्. Function of Vyanavayu, which is movement, upward movement and downward movement, Nimesh, that means closing of eye, Unmesh, which is opening of eye, and responsible for all function like yawning, brushing, etc. Clinical application is cardiovascular diseases, movement disorders, Parkinson's or tremors, circulatory issues, that is like varicose veins, etc. Vyadhi is temperature during the fever, that is ज्वरामधील तापमान वृद्धी, स्वेदावरोध, हस्तपादनेत्र दाह. चिकित्सा is स्नेहन. The fourth one is samana. Location or site samano agni samipastha कोष्ठे चरति सर्वतः. That means the main site is Koshta. Sushruta has mentioned its sites near Agni, stomach and large intestine, while Vagbhat has mentioned all above and near Shukra and Artav. The function is Annam grunhati, pachati, vivechayati, munchati. The Padachhed is it retains the unprocessed food, helps in digestion like chef by continuing in ignition of digestive fire. Vivechayati, that means separation of Sara and Kitta Vibhajan to elimination the Kitta, and Munchati. The clinical application: digestive issues, nervous system disorders, abdominal pain and cramping. Similarly, the Gulma, Agnimandya, Atisar, Amlapitta, that is hyperacidity, Admanva Anaha, that means abdominal disorders, Udarvyadi, that means ascites, Atisveda Pravrutti. Chikitsa is Shaman Chikitsa is given to that Samanavayu. Apana. Apanopanagah Shoni Basti Medro Rugocharaha, that means the common site of Apanavata, mainly lower abdomen or pelvic area. Apanavayu has the control on organs, around umbilicus and in pelvic girdle, urinary bladder, genitals, rectum and thigh. The function is Shukrartava Shakrunmutra Garbha Nishkraman Kriyaha. That means semen expulsion, menstrual discharge, expulsion of fetus, defecation and urination. This is the Padached. Clinical application, that means urinary and reproductive issues, menstrual disorder, constipation and bowel obstruction. Vyadhi, which is caused by vitiation of Apanavayu, which are Mutragraha, retention of urine, Garbhapat, Prasava Vedana, and the dysmenorrhea, that means the abdominal pain during the menstruation. And Chikitsa for that is Deepan, Pachan, and Chaman Chikitsa. Thank you so much.